Do you wish to earn free PayPal money just like this and this? Don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you how you can earn free PayPal money. And also it cut across all countries worldwide. And it does not require no experience, no money at all to get started. Because this is 100% free. And all it takes is a couple of clicks on a button. And the best part of this is that you can do this on your phone or tablet. In this video I will show you step by step on how to do this. And how to start earning $1,000. And if you stick with me to the end of this video, I will show how this is all done. Today I'm going to give a free $100 to first 5 comment. And first 5 views for free. But before we start, welcome to Money Giant, where we teach you how to make money online the easiest way. Make sure you subscribe and click on the notification bell, so when we upload a new video on how to make money online you'll be updated. Now let's get back to the video. These are the payment proof from Payday. As you see here, some of the payment are more than $1,000. All what you need to do is to go to payday.com. Sign up for free, do a simple task like write article, complete surveys, upload video, and start making money with an instant payment. You can refer a friend and earn 30% of what he earns. As now they have 930,000 members and over 7 million tests completed and over 15,160 paid out. So hurry and start earning. Click on the link below in my description to sign up for free. That's all I have for you today. See you in the next part of this video. But don't forget to subscribe to Money Giant for more. See you.